Long before European explorers set foot in the Amazon, ancient civilizations thrived here. Hidden deep within the dense jungle, they built advanced agricultural terraces and vast settlements, leaving behind mysterious traces of their existence. Fast forward to 1542, and Francisco de Orellana becomes the first European to navigate the mighty Amazon River. With towering trees on either side and mist rising from the water, his journey was filled with danger and discovery. But what fueled these explorations? Myths of El Dorado, a city made of gold, hidden deep within the jungle. Explorers risked everything, hoping to uncover this legendary treasure. But the city remained elusive, shrouded in mystery. The Amazon still holds many secrets, waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to uncover more hidden stories of the past.
Hit the like button, subscribe, and share for more interesting videos.